Hi, I'm Kim.
I'm Zach.
And we're here to introduce you to the Zach and Kim 5 Steps to Success program. For 2 easy installments of $19.95, you too can own a hardcover copy of this. Step 1, look in the mirror and say,
Boom!
Step 2, get your fix of Zach Attack by
watching this episode where Casey Kasem visits the Saved by the Bell crew at the Max.
Number 3, comb your hair.
In a deep side part.
Step 4, call in your CF.
When you need a hand,
We all need.
somebody to lean on.
And step 4, crank up the tunes.
And listen to Don't Stop Believing by Journey.
Thank you. 2,
Thank you.
4, 6, 8. Who do we appreciate? You. Who? You. And your efforts.
Hi, my name is Heather.
And I'm Paige.
And this is a little motivational speech for you to get you through the next year of school.
Number 1, I think you just need to remember that in a year from now, you're not going to be worrying about this. You're going to be applying what you've learned rather than having to learn what you're learning. And your students are going to benefit from all of this.
And by this time next year, you will have graduated and you will have no more masters to worry about.
You have all of us to lean on, so always feel free to get in contact with any of us in the program and, grab a refreshment if you need to.
Yep, take your mind off it if you need a break. Then take a day away from thinking about grad school or take a week off, because as long as you get it done, that is what matters. And it's not worth stressing over. The important thing is taking what you're learning and using it in your teaching, not freaking out about it.
And no one expects you to be perfect, so do your best.
Except for Paige. She expects you to be perfect.
Just remember, when times get tough, we have learners in our community that are just a
Phone call away.
We also have learners in our community that are,
On the computer to chat with you.
and if you see us in person, we are here to offer you a
Great big smile and cheer you up.
1, 2, 3.
When you're down and feeling low, don't fret. You have to know. We're here to help you on your way to reaching those goals you set today.
Good afternoon, Rachel.
Good afternoon, Marissa.
When you're feeling down and frustrated, remember that today is the tomorrow you worried about yesterday.
Remember, you miss 100% of the shots you don't take.
It's hard to fail, but it's worse to have never tried.
Go back a little to leap further.
I believe you can fly.
I believe you can touch the sky.
I know you think about explanations every day.
Spread your wings and teach away. Don't stress out, it'll be okay.